Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I got some cards I want to show you. I've been doing them here and there, and I've just been they've been piling up, so I thought I'd go ahead and do a video. This one right here, I had seen a video where people had done this on one side. I can't remember what this is called, but then I saw somebody do the two sides, so I wanted to try that one. It wasn't very hard, so I tried that. And you know what I just noticed? I put my lace on backwards. Oh my gosh. Can you tell? You see that? I can tell. I don't know if y'all can with this camera. Anyway. So I've been wanting to do this, and so I just did it this way with the two, a lace, a ribbon, bling. I had some of these little wooden hugs, and I just put some little blings on those. I don't think I put anything on the inside. No. There's that one. Here's another one. I wanted to use up these wooden things, I think is what I was going for. I tried to use as much scraps as I had, so this green thing I think was a scrap, but it went really good with this. And then I put this, I really love this ribbon right here, so I put some hearts in between there, and I made a bow and put a little thing on the top of it. And then I had these. Now I have a bunch of these in bling and just a few in the pearl, but I thought the pearl would go better, so I did the pearl ones. I thought it turned out really good. Again, nothing on the inside. And here is a Christmas card. Again, I saw a video. Now, I've seen this technique before, a long time ago, and I've been wanting to do it, and I just never did. And here lately, I saw a video of, I think it was a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who had done this. It's not as easy as it may look, because of the way that she did it. I don't know if there's a different way to do it, but I think once you start doing it and maybe do another card and, you know, keep doing them, it gets easier. And this right here is a stamp, obviously, but I cannot remember from where. And I had this little flower. I've got a like a big string of them, and I had it on my desk, so I thought I would put that on there along with this. Emboss the back, of course. And that's it. And then I've been doing some Halloween cards for a swap. My Facebook swap thing. And this is not one that I'm sending, but this second one is. I'll show you in a minute. Now, these were scraps, of course, and this is it was a border. It had all these things in it, recollections, and the Halloween is one of them. It just says Halloween, Halloween all the way. But again, using scraps. And then not too long ago, I don't have a lot of Halloween stuff. So when I was at Hobby Lobby one day and they were having a sticker sale, I was just kind of looking around at stuff, and I saw this stamp set that had the cutest little girl in it, and that's one of them. It's a sticker. And then here's another one. Isn't she so cute? I love her. And this is the other one I put on the card. That cat trying to get that spider. So, and then on the inside, I put some washi. I think I got this washi in a D-stash because I don't remember buying that. And then I've had this punch for a long, long time. And this came with some papers that I have. So there's that one. And then this one, this is a Diversions die, and I wanted to use it on for my Halloween thing, but there were some other ones that I made, and you only had to send 3, but I think I'm going to send more than 3. But I thought this would be an easy type die, you know, doing it in the black. And I was going to put like the yellow up here, but then I decided I wanted something that was, the whole thing would be through the windows, and I wouldn't have to do different colors. And I was going to do a moon and, you know, get all the ink and stuff out, but it's late, and if you can hear my voice, it's not doing too good right now. I haven't felt really good today. So, it's my neuropathy gets me real bad to where I can't lay down and rest. It bothers me, so I have to get up and walk around, and then I come do some crafting for a while and get up and walk around and try to lay down, and that don't work. So back and forth, but anyway, I got some stuff done anyway. This right here is from a paper pack. I've had this for several years. Webster's Pages, that's right. It's a cut apart. There's like a bunch of them like that. And the inside I did this again. And then I got this from that border package that had these bats in it. I figured the whole thing is bats, so I would put more bats on there. And this one I put in here from one of these cutouts. It cuts these 3 out. Now I'm missing one of them, but it probably landed on the floor. So there's that one. And here's some Christmas cards. I had this pack of cards that I did last year, and I had a few left in the set, so I wanted to go ahead and get them all done. And I did. I got all of them finished, so that was something I actually, sort of a paper pack finished, and I hadn't done that yet. So and these were just some little stickers that I had in my stash. And then this is some vellum. It's a little pack, looks like a sticker pack, but it's vellum, and you just cut these out. And I didn't want to just cut them square, so the ones that I did, I tried to find some dies that would put a little bit of a decoration on it, but I didn't want to do any inking on it. So, and this is kind of a light background, but it did okay. Alright, and here's the next one, same thing. And on this one, I don't remember putting it that high. I didn't, so I don't know how it got that high. I had to glue it. Oh, I did these like, because the top, if you laid the card out, one side had a decoration like this, and the other side was flat. So I did it to where I could cut out the same decoration for both sides, and that's what I did here. And then I got to where I got tired of doing that, so some of them I just left it straight, because that's the way they did it on the sample on the top of that paper pack. So that was okay. Here's another one of these vellum things, and I used a different die thing for this one. Again, vellum. Okay, back to this one. This is a vellum thing. So I actually had a oval die that fit this oval. I happen to have the Spellbinders, both sets, the small and the large ovals. So I found one that would fit to get that out. It was pretty tough trying to find some that would fit right. And here's one, I forget what Spellbinder die that is, but I did a little bit of decoration in it, and it fit. So here's another one. This one is vellum as well. I did it with this die. I don't remember what number it is. And this paper, I love this paper. I found it at Hobby Lobby in the crafts section, like where all the felt and foam and stuff is. This is like a sheet. There's this color and some other colors. So I cut this one out. It didn't cut very well, so I had to get my X-Acto knife out to try to get some of the places to get it out. So I finally got it and put it on here. And then again, vellum piece. It didn't look like I put it on there straight. I sure didn't. Oh well. And the last one here, same thing, vellum, did it in this one. And that same bow die, but I did it with this this foil stuff, the foil sheets. And then there's that one. And that's it. It's getting that time of year where everybody's going to be doing fall cards and Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and also I'll probably have some more cards. But I also wanted to remind you that I'm trying to get my Dish Dash giveaway organized. If you watched one of my other videos, I can't remember if it was the last one or the one before, that let y'all know that I was going to be doing a Dish Dash giveaway. And the Dish Dashes, and I got some more Dish Dashes that I'm going to be doing soon, is where whoever has bought a Dish Dash from me here in the last, I think it's month or so ago, I've got the start date on the video, and follows the rules of the giveaway, then whoever wins will get their giveaway, or get their Dish Dash free. I'll refund their money. And also I will be sending out a really big package. It's going to be a Dish Dash giveaway, but I can't decide if I want to do the big thing now or wait till my birthday giveaway, which is in October. So I've got to get that together as well. So anyway, I'll be getting something up with the Dish Dash thing soon. So let me know what you think of the cards. If you liked them, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I would appreciate you subscribing. And hopefully my videos will give you some inspiration, as I get inspiration from other videos. So we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.